What's happening, guys? This is Ryan from RC Off-Road, and today we're going to be doing a comparison video of tires. I had a comment on one of my other videos. Guy wanted to see the difference between the BK bars, which is what you get stock on one of these Losi Mini 2.0s, and what I come up with, some of Trax Teton wheels with some wheel adapters. I'm going to show you the difference between the stock tires, which are pretty much just donut machine. That's all they love to do is donuts if you're in the dirt or tall grass, compared to these right here. So I'm going to shoot a little footage running this around just like it is, and then we're going to go to these and I'll show you the difference. It's a pretty drastic difference. So what's up, guys? Here we go. Here's your BK bars, Losi Mini T, factory tires, and just regular grass. Wife cut this a couple days ago, so it's not that tall, but we're stuck. Still stuck. Does a lot of spinning, a lot of donuts, and we're stuck. On tall grass, and we're stuck again. So, any kind of tall grass or anything like that. That's why these tires are pretty horrible. Alright, now we got the stock BK bars off of there. We got my tire upgrade Teton, Trax Teton wheels on the back with the 12mm hex adapters with the Losi directional tires. Makes this thing go way better. So I'm gonna take it outside and shoot some video and show you guys the difference. Guys, we're outside. Got the tire upgrade. We're gonna just go right through the tall grass. It just goes, no problems. You ain't gotta worry about it getting stuck. Nothing. It just goes wherever it wants to go. Tall grass over there, it don't get stuck. And you hit the garbage can. Because driving one-handed is interesting. A lot straighter. You ain't got to correct it nearly as much. Makes this truck way more fun. And you can jump it a little easier. Yeah, for about easier to drive one-handed while I'm filming this. If you got a Losi Mini T 2.0, this is a must. Absolute must do. I've seen some guys run Teton wheels front and back, but I think you lose a little bit of steering when you run them front and back. Then you can even do a wheelie. There's so much traction them back tires get. It's a pretty drastic difference. It's like a whole different truck. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, you got one of these, you need to do this tire upgrade. I mean, you're not gonna be disappointed. Tall grass or whatever. You can still do donuts. Yeah, we're upside down. The old wing's getting a little straighter. Don't bend that down. There we go. It just seems to float through the grass better. You just do everything better. But this is it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment. That's why I'm making this video, because somebody commented, wanted to see the difference. So here we are. These are fun little trucks, man. If you're just watching this video and you don't have one of these, go buy one. They're friggin' cool. One more jump. Ooh, on its wheels. Well, there you go, guys. That's my tire upgrade, and that's the difference right there. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And we'll see you guys later.